See, I want Thai dessert. Maybe I should go to Khao Nom and get the sticky rice with coconut custard. Cannot resist a good Thai dessert. I know I said I need to start eating healthy this year, but I be just eating, impulsively, and I don't like that. After carefully evaluating my diet and the possible cons and pros of eating that Thai coconut sticky dessert, I decided to not get it because I felt like I already had a big meal yesterday. I need to detox my body. I need to have it reset. I lied. I got Mamita's icy. It's so good. Well, at least I satisfied my coconut cravings.